Hey guys, I'm Susan from the JayKay team, and in this video I want to show you some technical details of the JayKay e-trucks. On a side note, we don't recommend you working on this at home by yourself. If you have any problems, please contact our customer support. Here you can see all the components. These are the bearings, the shields, the motor components, and the urethane wheel that sits outside. And this is the hanger. The geometry of the hanger is similar to a normal longboard truck, and it can simply be put on the base plate and connects then wirelessly with the base plate. The clue of the JayKay e-trucks is that the hanger also serves as the housing for the battery with the motherboard. And the advantage of this is that it makes your electro board super light and very convenient because the trucks can be mounted on any longboard.